In this question from the chapter probability based on conditional probability says that an experiment, consider an experiment. And what's that experiment is tossing a coin first. If the coin shows head, toss it again. But if it shows tail, then throw a die. So let's understand this through a flow chart. Let's say if I show you through flow chart. Now, first of all, when we throw a coin, there's two possibility. One is head and the other is tail. As you know, probability of getting a head is 50%, that is half, and half for this as well. But then if you are getting head, in that case, if you're getting a head, there is two possibilities. In the sense we have to throw it twice. So in the second throw, it can be head, right? So it's head, head, and in the second throw, it can be tail also. So it can be head, tail. Further, you can see that if you are getting tail, in case if you are getting tail, and then you have to throw a die. So it's one in the die, tail, T2, T3, T4, T5, and T6. That's what the possibilities here. Now, if you talk about the probability of such an event, right? If we are going to probably find the probability of occurrence of each event, in that case, let's understand, it's a bit small. As we have already discussed that the probability of getting head is half and that of tail is half in the first throw. But then getting a head in the second throw, as you know, getting a second in head in the second throw is half. So half of half is what? 1/4. So we'll say that for this event to occur, for this event to occur, it is 1/4, and so is for this. Now, what we know that in a dice there are six faces. Getting one or maybe getting three is 1/6. Maybe getting four is 1/6. So we can say that possibility of getting one is 1/6. But as you know, we have half of 1/6 is what? 1/12. So we can now say that the possibilities of getting T1 is 1/12. So is for all these. Now, once we have obtained these things, what we have to find out is, let's write it again. It says find the conditional probability of the event that the die shows a number greater than 4. A number greater than 4 are these, right? A number greater than 4 are these two. That is, we have these two as the greater than 4. And what is the given condition? Given that at least one tail. So one tail, these are at least one tail. So first we are going to take E and F over here. So what I'm going to take E and F. So let's say we'll be first writing, let F be the event that there is at least one tail, and E be the event that the die shows a number greater than 4. Right. So let's begin with finding E and F. So what you can see that first if I find PF, I'm going to obtain PF. So what is F here? As you know, there is at least one tail. And at least one tail, if you look, I have shaded. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are. So possibility of this, which is 1/4 plus, these are all. This is 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, 1/12, and 1/12. So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. So we may directly write 6 multiplied by 1/12. That results to give you half. So 1/4 plus, that is 4, 3. Yeah, this is 3/4. Now, if I get the probability of P of E, right? We need E, we don't need E. Let's find out its intersection. And this is because we have to find P E stroke F, which is P E intersection F over PF. So we have calculated PF. Now I'll be finding it's common. So it's very well presented over here that you can see the one which is colored both yellow and green, right? Both, whatever that color is this. So we are going to find out the possibilities of these two. So we can find the common event over here That is P intersection F is how much? This is 1 over 12 and another 1 over 12. So 2 times 1 over 12, that will result to give you 1 over 6. This is 1 over 6. Now, if I plug in the values over here, I'm going to replace this with the values over here. Let's check what we are getting here. On placing these values, we are going to PE stroke F is 1 over 6, that divided by 3 over 4. So dividing is same as multiplying with the reciprocal. So that's 4 over 3. So it can be reduced by 2 times and this by 3 times. So we'll say that 2 over 9 is the required probability. This is how we will do this question.